I love your service. It's been so helpful. It's a big part of the reason why I'm making consistent money right now. I'm just so excited. This has just been like the greatest thing ever for my business. You are a big reason why I have the revenue that I'm having. I just love it. It's just amazing. I love my LinkedIn presence. It allows me to be more present with the clients that I have. The constant responses that they are getting from me having you as a service provider has been amazing because I know that people are consistently hearing back from me. I appreciate that because now I'm able to focus on serving the clients that I'm working with and meeting the new people that have already been scheduled on my calendar. And I can pay more attention to them. I can be more authentic and present. And I do like that. Whereas before, when I did not have someone like yourself providing exceptional leads, I had to be the one doing everything and trying to look for and find quality lead that would actually have the opportunity to be able to benefit from my business was a challenge. You eliminated all of that, which has cut down on a lot of additional legwork that was just so unnecessary. Now I can actually do my business, and that is fun. So I spend a part of my day writing and serving clients. It makes me feel very empowered. And in part, that is due to you providing me with amazing quality leads that I'm able to connect with. And I have met the most amazing people over the past 6 months. So it's been an amazing process, and I have amazing clients because of that. As far as revenue is concerned, I'm bringing in, I would say, between 8 and 10,000 a month, which is actually really good. That's actually a dream come true. I was given the opportunity to just go ahead and go after my dream, which is to write for a living in the creative fields. And that's what I'm doing. And I'm able to serve people in a way that I enjoy doing it. It's just so fulfilling helping people to create and develop their story. I'm able to consistently stay between 8 and 10,000. It started off at 5,000. I'm like, okay, this is good. This is good. And it's starting to grow. So I'm staying in this range. My business is actually generating income and is actually able to support my life. And that is a beautiful thing because that allows me to give more to my clients. It allows me to be present with my clients, to give them the exceptional customer service that I always want to be able to give them. And not to mention having amazing team members who can also support my business. I can actually be able to pay them when I need the additional support and help. And they are credentialed. I'm proud to work with them, and I'm proud that they are able to serve my clients as well. All of this is like a dream come true because I was not able to be in this position, not even a year ago. When I think about everything that has transpired, it happened exactly the way it needed to. And I'm just extremely grateful. I'm very grateful for where I'm at because I see the progression. It's moving forward. I remember you said that people can detect that desperation when you are talking to them. And it just feels so good to just be able to talk to people and direct them to what's best for them. I don't have to think about myself. I can actually just be present in the conversation and focus on them. And if they say no now, it's okay. Maybe they'll be ready 3 months from now, maybe 6 months from now. There's just all these options that allow me to feel like an empowered business owner. And for that, I am so grateful. Gratitude is just like my favorite word lately. I did not expect all these good things to just happen like this, but at the same time, I guess I did. But I don't, it's just like a dream come true. It feels surreal to have my business be where it's at. Everything that you said that you were going to do, you did. And that was amazing. With everything you did, you set me up for success.